Now see same type of math but a different case. If you start at 10:45 p.m. Sunday and reach at 3:51 a.m. Monday, what is the traveling time now? We will use the same technique as we used before for question number 1 and question number 2. We will write the arrival time, the departure time, and subtract the departure time from the arrival time. We will get the travel time. But here problem is that here AM and here PM, here Monday, here Sunday. First of all, what do you know about PM? We need to convert it to 24-hour format. So in 12-hour format, we have 10:45 PM. This is at 12-hour format. We need to add a 12-hour to convert it to 24-hour. 22:45. This was 12-hour format and this was 24-hour format. So instead of 10.45, we will write 22:45. And what about 3:51 AM? It means 3:51 in 24-hour format. But what is the problem? This is Monday, this is Sunday. We need to calculate both time with respect to the same day. So 3:51 AM Monday means 3:51 Monday in 24-hour format. But we need to convert it to Sunday. In that case, if we want to count our time from the day before, we must add a 24-hour to it. We get the value as 27:51 with respect to Sunday. So instead of 3:51 AM Monday, we will write 27:51 Sunday. We converted the time of Monday to Sunday. I wrote these for your understanding. While performing the math, you won't write this. So the travel time is this minus this. So 51 minus 45, that means 06. 27 minus 22, 05. That means the travel time in this case is 5 hours 6 minutes. This is our answer.